Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Verizon LTE network extender has stopped providing signal coverage or devices are no longer connecting through it, the issue could be related to power, internet connectivity, GPS synchronization, or a temporary communication problem. Since the Verizon LTE network extender depends on both your broadband connection and Verizon's network, even a minor interruption can affect its performance. The good part is that many of these problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps without replacing the device. In this video, I'll walk you through several things you can try to get your Verizon LTE network extender working again. Try these. Step 1. Check the indicator lights on the Verizon LTE network extender. Step 2. Verify the internet connection used by the Verizon LTE network extender. Step 3. Inspect all cable connections attached to the Verizon LTE network extender. Step 4. Allow the Verizon LTE network extender enough time to complete startup. Step 5. Reboot the Verizon LTE network extender to refresh its connection. Step 6. Test signal coverage provided by the Verizon LTE network extender.